disk. So today I'll be show you how to installation, how to environment set, okay, how to project lifecycle, app lifecycle, how project structure, everything I'll be explaining today class, basic things. So, so first of all, installation process setting before Django installation, whatever need I'll tell you, and creating a virtual environment, creating new Django project, project structure, setting URL view template, how it's working. This is the main thing. Setting URL view templates after installation, how to project create, project apps, projects, project folder, how to create, then one project through multiple app, how to control. Multiple app is nothing but one module. Suppose your sales module, yeah, your material module, yeah, your service module. So you can separate app you can create, but project module is one. I'll explain those things. Don't worry. First of all, you can go here before you Django do it. First installation Python is done. I think I hope your system right. Python is your system is check you have there, then check which version is there, then install Django pip using what pip install Django. So then now I am opening in my system VS Code. You can see here, this is VS Code. Now I am new window open, that window close. This is my new window. Now here I'll be starting new project. Okay, before I'll be start, first you have to check your system. There is 1 minute. Terminal I'll just open. Okay. Um, I'll just setting 1 minute. Yes. Now I'm checking which directory right now. Okay. C drive I am. I want to move in D drive. Okay. Now D drive. Here I'll be create one folder. What folder? Folder how to create? What is the command? Any idea? mkdir. Folder name is suppose Django. Django, Django batch, batch 2. Okay. Then ls. Then here I'll be go cd. You can see it's a created here. Django batch 2. I just move in Django, move in that directory where you can create. Okay. Now it's a blank batch, batch 2. Just created, just move in that folder. Now I am ls, no data. Okay, here I'll be starting your project. But before we'll be start, this is the just simple what folder is created. Yes, mkdir, correct. So now what to do? I just here batch 2. Now I'll install what command you can install first. Python regarding, you can check your version Python dash dash version. It's you can check, but still you are not installing, then you can pip install Django. Here pip install Django. Okay. Because already in my system is there, that's the reason the requirement already satisfied. Okay. So if your system is not available, then definitely it should install. and pip regarding this thing which coming, then you can upgrade also. Okay. If your pip is not upgrade, then upgrade. These two command you can run it, because my laptop is Django is there. You just pip install Django. Sorry, pip list Django. Whatever packages I am using, all list is coming. Okay, you can see whatever I am using in this default you can see Django 4.2 I am using. So Django is current version is what is that? Can anyone idea? What is the current Django version? Manshi, what is the Django version? I'm already told you na, anything you want to check information in Django related, then visiting this Django framework, this Django website, djangoproject.com. Here is documentation is everything is available. So 5.5, 5.11. Clear? Yeah, any questions? So current version, what is that? 5.1.1. So they that should you can download. Okay, because I am using in 4.2. No problem. You can also different environment created. You can do it. Okay, because it's a little different, little feature they are adding. Still, my work is going and good in 4.2. I am not updated. Shortly, I'll be updated. But your system, you can just pip install Django. Done. Those things you can done. Then you can check pip freeze. Okay, pip freeze. Pip freeze. So pip list, pip freeze. Pip list means all. Okay, pip freeze means particular that environment you can check. Okay. Now you can see all is coming. Either pip freeze or pip list you can see. My system is already Django is there. Then next step is I'll start in walk. This setup you have to done. Then setting your Python environment. Before, what is that Python environment that says important in Django? Okay, so because it says default Python, okay, environment, because here whatever related Python, yeah, Django related default, I am not without using environment. That's is a package. But separately your project regarding uh, multiple projects. Suppose this and suppose once install in Django, multiple project you can do. So multiple regarding multiple package, different package is needed. So why will we mix it? You cannot mix it because default all package. So you can create an environment, particular that project regarding different environment, that project regarding different environment. So there you can install whatever package that project regarding that different package. Okay, different things package you can install. So now how to create any package? I'll show you here. You can see first you can see Python minus m benv mine b my environment name here mentioned, you can change it. But VNV before VENV, you can see Python, Python minus M, uh, minus M, VENV. Here, your environment you can set. I am setting here first and ENV. Okay, my environment name. If I are st post ENV. Okay, my environment name. Okay, now I'm just enter. But it should VNV, it should work. First pip install mean pip install virtual environment. This thing you can see. Django virtual environment. Uh, you can see steps. You can see before a virtual environment, these steps you can check. This is the thing, but VENV here is also not showing. It's not coming in directly. You can force what to do. Pip install VNV. That package you should install. Then it should working. Then you can activate. But here is not. 1 minute. Django documentation. Here also not given. Okay. But do one thing. My system. Why it's working? Because already I am installing. Okay. You can see here. This VENV virtual environment. You can see my system is here. Are you clear? Yeah. Any questions? Please reply me. Hello.
So we need to install virtual environment first and then
Yeah.
run another command, right?
First you have to your system pip install virtual EN full.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then you can say to you you can say this thing, this command. Already my virtual environment is created. Once created virtual environment, so that's a project structure is what. Okay, you can share your screen. If any problem you have to facing, then you can share screen. I'll guide. Bye. Okay. So first you can see virtual environment I have installed. Then I'm just enter this command. Okay. What is that command? One minute, okay. Pip install command. Just note down because later it's a yeah. You can see Python minus m BENV. You cannot change it. It's a short form. Okay. BENV. Okay. BENV. Then your environment according to your project you can mention. That's why it should depend on it. But after that you cannot change. It's not inevitable. You cannot change it. It's a universal. So you can minus my ENV. You can change your project.
What is the command for to install the virtual environment?
What, madam? Pardon?
What is the command for to install the virtual environment?
Yeah, just a P. You can see P install this. Clear? Now I'm entering. The
Okay.
requirement is satisfied because already in my system. Clear? Note down this command because it's a need. Okay. So once done this command pip install, then this thing Python minus m venv, then your environment name. Okay. So what to do? Already I have created na environment. Once environment created, then I'll show you. You can see here ls. You can see this is environment created. First and what to do? Ls. Ls means this current directory Django batch 2. I'm created in this folder, inside just created in one environment. This is your folder, project folder. You can give any name. Inside I'm creating one environment, and environment inside what the data, then I move here first env, then ls. So what are here? Include library, pyenv configuration and scripts, correct? So script you can activate. You can also go through in step by step cd scripts inside what is that. Okay, so you can check it. Okay, you can see script inside what is that. It's an environment. First of all, I'm setting in environment. I'm just showing you. Well, it's script. Okay, you can see here is scripts, inside is activate is there. Your environment you can first you can activate. So then what to do? I'm just back it. Back, how to back it? Cd dot dot, cd dot dot. I'm coming in my parent back, parent folder. Then here I'm creating in environment, first environment. Then how to activate this environment? Then the procedure is, you can see, uh, 1 minute, my environment script. Okay, command is source, source. Your environment name is first env space. Okay, env scripts, scripts, scripts activate. This is command, note down. Source, I'm entering, you can see. Now, previously, your root is normal here. Now you can see environment is activated, first environment. So this command, note down, source, first environments. I'm just writing whatever you can creating your environment. Just source, first env, scripts, activate. Once you have activate, then it should look like this environment is activated. If it's not looks like, still your environment is not activated, right? Now what to do? Your environment is activated. Then inside this environment, you can install all those thing packets, because your project regarding whatever you are right now, you can install all packets. It's stored in first env. It's don't install in publicly. All will be accessed. Particular project regarding particular your package. Why will be unnecessary other project will be hamper? Because package once install means that should different project regarding different environment, different package. So your package, your project, suppose you are doing that project is implemented in other, then it should definitely is affect. Okay, so now you can done. Okay, your environment. Now I'll be starting project. So project, before starting, this note is here already. I'm sharing Google Drive. Okay, you can check. Django admin start project, my project. What is that? Django dash start project, my project. Okay, now you can see Django dash admin start project and your project name. Suppose our project name is blog project, blogger. Okay, your project.
I have one question before you start. What is the purpose of a virtual environment?
Already explained you, virtual environment particular your project environment. Suppose now I'm starting one project, blog project, blog app. Blog app regarding whatever package needed. Suppose deactivated environment. Still, you can see. I'll show you. Uh, peep list, peep list. Here you can see whatever list, only three things is there. Still, I'm installing what package? Pip just install, and by default, okay, setup tool, nothing is there because your environment still you are creating. But once deactivated, you can see deactivated how to deactivate. It's a deactivate. Now I'm pip list. It's a common, whatever my Python regarding I am using, all packages coming. Are you clear? Because particular your project regarding, you can create one virtual environment. Virtual environment that should, it's a work in whenever you also host the project in live environment, there also it should go. Virtual environment project with included, that's going in package there also. And locally separately you can with virtual environment. First of all, try to understand why we'll be creating virtual. I'm telling you now, first of all, particular project regarding whatever package needed, that project regarding you can use. Why will be used in another project? You can come on, you can in this way also you can start your project. But it's a conflict. Here is all packages available. Then you can input. Then it's each other conflict may be coming. Are you clear, Manche?
Yes, it looks like we create our own environment for our project.
Yes. Particular project regarding separate environment you can create because that project regarding whatever need you for you can use particular that project regarding. You cannot use in same thing. Suppose you suppose you didn't use in environment, then multiple project you can do, your system is available, your path will be means conflict each other. That package, same package is available, then you can install, then that each other is conflict, problem will be happen. Okay, so then definitely you can create in one environment. So environment, how to create, already told you, steps you can remember, you can practice. You, if you will be not practice, then its problem will be happen. Okay, so today whatever you can practice it. Okay, so now you can see how to activate. So this is the command. Okay, source first env, but make sure first env this project path you should come always your current path. You can check, otherwise it's not work. Current always you can follow. You can create, you can starting this folder inside is all. First comes in this folder path. Then you can, okay, now enter. Your environment is activated, your first environment. Now this environment only once default is once created environment, just default things is there, nothing is there. You can see only this thing, pip list and 1 minute, pip list, only this thing pip is there, system python related this only. And this is the library related, means environment related. It's only that pip you are using default setup tool, just this package is there default once installed, once environment created, these three things it's coming package. After that, now you can see here, here I'm installing pip install Django, Django version. Suppose here which version is 5 point Django equal to 5.1.1. I want to work in 5.1.1. Okay, here is equal to. It's a P version is mine not supported in 5 point. That's why it's coming. That's the reason I'm not installing, because your system, because you pip update, because once I'll be pip update, maybe my system is not work. Yeah, some problem will be happen. Let's see, check pip minus x object. So current version is successfully installed. Okay, pip. Because pip is what? Pip through you can any package, any library you can install. It's a default. Okay. Now I'm installing in Django 5.1. No matching distribution. You can install your system. It's a pen. Okay. Version is 4.2. No, because my system is 4.2. Okay. So see. Yeah, it's installed. Okay. You can install like that 5.1. Okay. And my system is because my PEEP upgrade also it's not support 5 point. Maybe environment, so many environment that conflict, maybe whatever. But little difference in 5.1, 4.2. I am working also all project in 4.1, no issue. So now I am checking in what uh PEEP list. Okay. Now you can see previously what happened. This environment is only this PEEP setup tool and what 1 minute. Nothing is there. No? Those things, these three things is there. Now added in this thing by default once Django I am installing. But it's a separate your environment, your separate your pack, your project regarding this first environment is your project. So now I am creating in project. So project regarding what is that command? Django admin start project name block up.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why do you need to activate the environment? What does activate do?
Why
What,
need
what,
environment?
yeah. Like when before you did the activate, why do we need to activate? Like what is activate?
Activate that's I'm telling now your environment because you want to start your project. This block I want to start a project. Okay. Before your project regarding your environment first setup. This is the interview question, how to environment set. And actually you are working in real-time environment, mandatory you can create in uh, virtual environment. Virtual environment, why need? Because I'm just deactivated. You can see now it's activated. How many packages there inside? You can check. This is the environment only. This thing is available. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. I'll scroll. Okay, 1 minute. You can check. Only you can see these packages available.
Mhm.
How many packages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once
Mhm.
I deactivate because your project regarding this is the first environment. You can name any name you can give it. No problem. Just environment name I'm setting in first environment. Then I just deactivated environment. Deactivate. Okay. Deactivated. And now you can see there is top is any env is there like that. No, no,
No.
no environment you can activate it. Now I can pip list. You can see it's a default. You are working in default. So many packages there here. Why will be means each other confused? because here is default and environment means previous your Python environment that package.
Mhm.
You understand now? Here also you can start work, but here mix it. Are you clear, Abhay?
Yeah,
Yani,
yeah, yeah. I get it.
why would
Thank
you
you.
mix it? Because your project regarding whatever package needed here is already is there. It's a conflict each other. So separately, my project regarding separately I'll be create because my project regarding my 1 minute. Mm, activated 1 minute. So here is command. Okay, source, first environment, scripts, activated. Now I am pip in the pip list. See, this environment, your project regarding this package still we are installed. Okay. Then Django admin version. How to check in Django version? You can see your install is 4.2, 4, 4.2.12. Clear?
Yeah, yeah.
How to check Python version? How to check Python double underscore version? Like that Django, I'm already installed it, my environment, this thing. Okay, 4.2. You can install in 5.1. My system is some problem due to pipe, well, higher version is not support. I'll check because once check, everything will be updated. So many environment is there. I'll be problem faced. That's the reason I'm not updating. You can update, okay? No problem. So you can see post environment I create, then I'll be starting project life cycle. What is that? I'm starting one Django project. Okay. Then before Django,
I have one question.
yes,
Like,
please.
uh, why we are installing the Django 2 times?
Uh, Question is good. Django already system is there. Then separately you want to particular which version you want to work because here is default is 4.2. Suppose you because so many version is available. Suppose you want to work in other version. Suppose 4.2, you have 4.1. Default whatever your system, it's okay, fine. You don't need to install. Okay. Suppose I'm just
Okay.
explaining because your project by suppose you want to lower version, you want to create start a project. Yeah, higher version. That scenario, what to do? Already is default is there. Then what to do? You can create in your separate environment. There you can install.
So if we need another version, that at that
No,
time we
no,
need to
no.
install.
Yes, particular one project regarding one environment regarding any one version you can install. Then you want to use in another version, then uninstall, then again install another version. But it's default. It's a sorry. It's a peep list is inside this environment first. Without environment, whatever is there, that's a is default. It's a universal.
Okay.
You
Mm-hmm.
understand, na? So now I'm installing in this 4.2 because of your understanding purpose. Because future, any lower version you want to suppose I'll be remove it 4.1. I want to use in this project blog app. So then I can install in 4.1. Yeah, 5.1. I'm trying to that's my 5.2 because it's not supported my system. You can do 5. Here you can do 5.1 to 1.1 like okay, so that is the current version, so you can install. Then how to check the version? Django admin dash dash version. Clear? Yeah, any questions, Manshi?
Yes. Clear.
Yeah, default you can install, no need to environment activated. Whenever project you can start, you can environment create. If you want to default, you want to work only that Django, then you can go through, no need to install. Okay. Otherwise, which version you want to, then you can install. This is the rule. Then I'll start in here. You can see this is the blog app is created. It's your this project regarding this is the environment. Environment is activated. This is your project start. Then project start means I'll be go first. I'll check blog app. Now you can see. Uh, 1 minute. PT blog. Yes, ls. So see, this is the project life cycle. What you will be say? Then how to create this thing, you understand? It is the project, your project name. Here you can control whole application. Once which command I'm entering, then it's created. Can anyone tell me? I'm creating this blog app. Which command I'm running? Django dash admin, then start project, then project name is blog app. Clear, Mansi? Away?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So then once created here, project app, this is the life cycle of project life cycle. What are life cycle? asgi.py, setting.py, urls.py, ws.py. Correct? Then I'll explain. Now you can see I'll open project. Already project created here. Now here I'll be open file folder. See it right. I'm still not going here. Your project is here. Okay. Just okay. You can see your this is your environment. This is your project. And here is you can give your project name, yeah, something, because it's a project inside one folder. You can project name, yeah, something, whatever name you can give, but inside this is the you can see it's a project life cycle. This by default it comes. I'll explain in those things how to control, because this is the important setting that we are here. You can control whole project. And app, it's a project name, blog app. Multiple app, it's a project. Okay, project life cycle. Multiple app also you can create. How to create, then that's the next class. First of all, you can up to date you can create. How to create in project. Now you can see here. Once created, then here is Django admin, start project, then cd my project. What is that? Do it. Environment is 1 minute. Otherwise, you can go here. Okay, where you can create direct. You can yeah, what to do here? One minute. DS code, where is it? Your system maybe show. No, so default is coming. Once the DS code is not coming. Okay, no problem. Directly you can here install, then path is coming, no problem. Otherwise, you can come here, you can file, open folder. Then you can set your environment. Okay, so you can ls command, then source post env strips activate. Okay. Then you can see here, first environment is activated. Okay. Now ls, then cd blog app. I'm just moving in cd blog app. I'm creating. Just enter. Now ls. Once you have to create, once you have to move in this project. Okay. Here is project, and project inside here blog app, then manage.py. This is the default. Okay, you can see here manage. This is the default. You can see blog app and manage.py. Here is showing. I'm just cd here and check this app inside. This is the, then here manage.py, your whole project here you can control. So then what to do? Python manage.py run server. It's a local server. It's a created. See, here is your local server. Default is Django. What is that? 127.0.0. Port is 8000. It's created. Manage.py. Then you can practice. You can see this is the default. Default it is showing like that. 4.2 या 5 you can use like that. It's showing documentation, all those things. It's a default. It's a local server is port is 8000. Your IP is local IP address is 127.0.01. Okay. So now it's a default. It should create like that. Okay. Then once you have to create it, you can see 18 unapplied migration is still there. Admin authentication session. Everything is pending. Okay. Then what to do? Once created, local server is created. Here is project lifecycle is available. Then default is SQLite, database is Python given, sorry, Django given, database SQLite 3. Okay, manage.py. Here you can control whole project, local server you can control, you can run the program. Okay, so this is the project lifecycle setting that URLs WSGI. Here is all lifecycle is available. Run server, local run server, how to you can do, you can see. You can here also follow managed it. Once project is created, command, what is that command? Django dash admin start project. Okay, project name, your project name you can give it. Then once create, this is the project structure, manage.py. Here is lifecycle setting.py wjsa urls. Then here explain everything, Django project lifecycle. So what is that lifecycle? Manage.py means this file is kind of your project local Django admin for interacting with your project via command line. Start the development server. Already show you development server. To get full list of command accessible manage.py, you can use this code. Manage.py help. You can check everything manage.py regarding what is the data. Control C and just paste in. You can see whatever manage.py. After that, you can use the command is here available. You can see all is available. Okay. Django check, dump data, load data, inspect DB. So many things is there. One by step. Once enter manage.py through how to do the all those things. Make here is make migration. Migration I'll tell you now. You can see here why they are saying make migration. Run server I'm creating. Now you can see here is showing in 18 unapplied session authentication, all those things. Your project regarding still is not identify SQLite default. Okay, database. Uh, Once close, then here run server, make migrations. This is the command. Once create, then make migration. Migration spelling is right. Wait. Okay, sorry, command is wrong. Okay, not run server. Okay, whenever managed at py, after that you can make migration. Okay, once run server, then make migration. You can see no changes is detected. Then once, because make migration means any changes in database level, still we are not anything database edited, na? Just default database, whatever they are given in Django, that should we can first migrate it. Make migration, then migrate. You can see. Okay. One minute. See, what is that? All table authentication regarding default database. It's now here is means updated SQLite. Okay, those things initial those things, and they are whatever default username, length, all default things tables they are migrating. Now I am running run server and see now it's coming that 18 migration. No, no, not coming. Na? Here you can see zero silence, no error. Migration means once you have to this project will be start. That is the advantage. Django is given reusable tables, authentication table, user regarding some tables. So those tables default once creating project lifecycle means project, then it should comes. Then how to understand this SQLite? This is the default SQLite. Okay, then you can just whenever you have to create anything project, make migration, migrate. Those command definitely you can run. Anything database level change, your project change database level particularly, then make migration, migrate command you should run. Clear? Away? Yeah, any questions? Once entering, then you will be understand step by step.
I get it. Thank you.
Yes, but keep your mind, anything changes in database level, make migration, migrate. This command is needed, otherwise no need. Okay. So now this default table is once project start in means Django is given. So those thing will be project will be understand, then make migration. Okay. So those table I'll show you. You can see here. SQLite default is Python. Okay. So those things how to open in that table. 1 minute. Uh, is something is how to open SQLite. You can open some what is that? I'm forgetting. Somewhere I'm installing because that's a no need. Okay, I'm not using that default because always using in third party MySQL. Okay. Third party and MySQL and MongoDB, yeah, those kind of, that's the default is small database. That's the reason that user will be, okay, here you can see that. So it's code format. You want to as a visible, then you can open here. Okay, see, uh, once I'm just here connect. Okay, that project here. 1 minute. This table is other project regarding. Okay. Connect the project. So now project is D drive batch 2. Database name test.db. Okay. Test.db it's created. You can see once connected your database. This is the default. That thing I am just migrating. You can how to database connect. Next class I'll told you. Here is small database. SQLite. So default Django. So whatever default they are given in the authentication group table, authentication group permission, authentication user group. This is the admin log, content type, my Django migration data. Okay, Django session. All it's a one table. You can see it's a ID name. Okay, here is 3 column. Here is 3 column. Here is 3 column. It's a default. I'm just why I'm showing because it's a default here data is coming because once migrate here will be reflect because already I am migration done. That's the reason without migration suppose I'll be here open this SQLite Studio through. Okay, I can open this database. Nothing will be show. Those 10 table is not showing because still we are not migrating. Once migrate, then here will be reflect. Clear? Then next, it's a default. Means once project create, it should come always. Then you can create your own table. Here also comes. Then without migration, it's not come. Then that should I'll be step by step I'll be explain. But right now, just understand migrate means database related. Okay. Any questions? Okay. So you can follow this note. Okay, migrate project underscore init.py. What is the purpose use? Okay, and this subfolder why use. This is the project lifecycle just for Python related folder package. Okay, and setting the py as a name indicate your project setting. Everything will be controlled here. Okay, setting that py here. You can see your project lifecycle. Here you can see I'm clicking here. You can see your session install app. Okay, it's a middleware session and security, everything you can manage here. Your root app configuration, your template level setting, and this is the WSA. Whenever a host that time it's a needed, no need, right? You can learn. Okay, whenever hosting that project needed. So database you can default, you can see SQLite 3. You can change your databases, other database, MySQL. Yeah, any other database. Okay. Here is authentication password validated and time zone you can also set here according to language for everything. And image path folder you can set here. Boolean data autofill you can set big autofill. So those things is a setting that py through so many things you can your whole project you can control. Clear? Yeah, any questions? So how to create in project, how to environment setup, those up to you can clear. Next class, I'll be explaining this project lifecycle, database setting, URL. What is that URL? These two things is measure whenever you can host in project in your live server, then it's a needed. No need to run live. So those three things you can learn. Setting URLs. Whenever you can development environment, those two things you can. Once this project life cycle you can complete, then it comes in apps life cycle. What is that? App life cycle. This is the app life cycle. how to create an app life cycle, how to multiple app you can use. Those things I'll be explaining. But still, what we are learning today, you are in to do practice. If any problem, any difficulty, you can ping me. Okay? Any questions? Oh. So, Mansi, any questions?
No.
Okay, you can do those things because I'll be load will be given in next level. Then you can confuse. Still up to that you can do. You can create your environment. You can install Django and one project you can install. Then migrate it. You can see the SQL. This is the GUI SQLite 3 I'm opening. Na? This is the GUI format. SQLite Studio database inside what's going on. You can see, you can install also your system. What is that backend is going on. You can, because Django, it's a ORM concept. Everything you can here, you can check database. No need to go in. If you right now user needed, then go for this user friend. You can install SQLite Studio. You can connect the database. You can see what is the database is going on. Okay. So I'll be step by step, I'll be explaining, don't worry. But still, what we are covering up to project, you can create environment. That's it. You can open your system and local server, you can run like that. Up to that, you can clear. Then next level, I'll be telling you next class. Okay, I'll wind up. Okay. Okay. So next class, I'll catch you in Tuesday. Meanwhile, you can up to that, you can practice. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello.
Okay, I just said thank you. Okay.
Okay.